Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. How are you guys? A few things are happening in this video, exciting things, at least for me. Hopefully you will enjoy them as well. First things first, you guys, as you noticed, I did change my white fabric behind me into something purple and pretty looking. It does look a little bit darker on camera than in real life. This fabric was donated to me by one of the brides that I worked with. So they gave the fabric to me after the wedding and told me to use it and put it to good use. So today is the day. Another exciting news that I purchased round backdrop frame. Super excited to work with it. I will show you how I set up, how you can make a balloon garland with this round frame, and I'm just excited. I do have an event, it's actually tomorrow, that I have to take this round frame with me and use it at the venue, and I like the idea that I have some time to play around with this frame before taking to my event. So we'll play around with it together, and hopefully I'll have a chance to film a little bit of tomorrow's event and I can share with you what I created there. I wanted to make this clear balloon garland with butterflies. I love butterflies and I just always had this in my mind, and finally this will become a reality. One more thing, you guys, going back to my fabric over here. I know I've been using literally only white backdrops. From now on, I think I want to switch things up and use more fabrics, more colorful fabrics for my backdrops. So from now on, you'll see more color. Alrighty guys, without any further ado, let's jump into this video. Everything I will be using, I will link in the description under the video. Let's go. Here's everything that I'm planning to use for this balloon garland. 12, 5, 18 inches balloons in clear, and lots of butterflies in white color. I am using my electric balloon pump, balloon tying tool, and 20-pound fishing line. Let's go. So here is my round frame. First things first, we need to set everything up. This is my base with two square pipes right on top with these screws, and this is my first base piece for this circle. So I am inserting this base into my pipes and just secure them with these screws over here. I'm picking up my next pipe, and there's two sides to it. This side is thinner and this side is thicker with a screw. So whatever we have already installed does have a thinner side over here. So I am taking my thicker side over here, larger pipe, and inserting right on top of this pipe, screwing it on just to secure, make sure it holds, and that's it. The setup is very simple. You keep on inserting your pipes on top of each other and screwing, and that's about it. Very simple. Let's finish this up. Building my base, my garland base, with my 12-inch and 5-inch balloons, kind of mixing sizes up, but I'm blowing 12-inch with 12-inch and 5-inch with 5-inch. So take two balloons, blow them at the same time, and tie them together. And here's your pair. Using my 20-pound fishing line, tie your fishing line to first pair of balloons. It doesn't matter what pair you're using first. Second pair right on top of your first one, and I'm kind of pinching 2 pairs with my fingers, taking my fishing line and wrapping around newly placed balloon. Kind of pull on your fishing line and push your balloons together. Again, around newly placed balloon, push and pull. Try not to pull on your fishing line too hard, because fishing line can cut your balloons and balloons will start deflating. So basically, that's how you construct your base. Keep working, keep wrapping. You'll be done in no time. Your balloon garland, cut a long string of fishing line, hold it with one hand, with the other take the tail and wrap around one of the balloons. Now you created this loop over here, so take this tail and feed it through the loop and pull. Do that a couple of times to make sure your balloon garland is secured 100%. My base is ready. Let's hang this up. I want to place this garland on one side and maybe add one more section at the bottom. We'll see. I am taking extra fishing line, pieces of fishing line, and just tying my balloon garland to my pipes. That's it. To use glue dots to fill in spaces today. Usually I use my low temperature glue gun, but hey, today I want to use glue dots. I started this trick just recently and it's been saving me a lot of time, so I'm taking 2 pairs of balloons and intertwining them together to create this cluster of 4. That's gonna save you a lot of time and then just working with one balloon at once. Putting a few glue dots, not one, use more than just one, and start filling in spaces and build your balloon garland shape. I also have a few 18-inch balloons as well. I'm going to add them in my garland as well. Switching to my low temperature glue gun, I feel like it's going to be faster. For our butterflies, they do come very flat, as you can see, and to give them a 3D effect, I will take my wings and fold them to the center. Just pinch a little bit, not too much, and here you have beautifully shaped butterfly. These butterflies do come with these kind of like foamy, pretty thick, sticky things, and you can attach your butterflies with them to your garland, but to be faster, I'll be using my low temperature glue gun. balloons, what I have for you guys today. This is my beautiful, simple but dreamy balloon garland setup. I love how many butterflies I included in this garland. It looks very, very good. Every single balloon count, size, and butterfly count I will link in the description under the video. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out. These 18-inch balloons and 12-inch balloons, they do look a little bit cloudy, but these 5-inch balloons, they are so clear, and I am happy with how clear they are. Very good. Quality of all the balloons is very, very nice, very soft, very easy to work with. Nothing popped, none of the balloons deflated or had holes. Happy with everything. This frame over here, you guys, this frame, I wish I had it in size smaller. I feel like it's a little too big for my room, for my backdrop size, and this guy over here is not as stable as I thought it would be. This thing moves very easily. I accidentally bumped my balloon garland while I was pulling out my soft boxes to help me out finish this video, and the whole thing tipped over. Good thing I cut it off. If you're gonna have this frame at your event, please put something heavy in the back on your base just to hold it down, to make sure it's not gonna tip over or wind's not going to blow it down. Hey you guys, I know I do look a little different, and there is a reason for it. I filmed my butterfly balloon garland on Wednesday. Today is Thursday, and this video will go up on Friday. I felt like this portion of this video is necessary. If you listened carefully in the beginning of this video, I did tell you that today on Thursday I have an event, and I need to take that golden hoop that was behind me to the client's house and make one beautiful balloon garland, balloon backdrop setup for an event. Yes, I did it, and I did post a lot of pictures, a lot of stories on my Instagram accounts. If you follow me, you know what I'm talking about. As soon as those short videos and those pictures went live, you guys, I received so many messages, so many comments. Never received so many messages and comments in my life on Instagram ever. First main question that I received is where I bought this frame. You guys, I bought it on Amazon. The bigger the hoop you buy, the more money you're gonna pay. I paid $160 for my frame. This frame is 2.5 meters in diameter. That's the size of this frame. This frame is a little too big for me. It's manageable, it's beautiful, it's cute, but I wish I had it sized down. This hoop does come in different sizes. I believe they have 4 sizes. I did a lot of research. I looked at so many pictures. I tried to figure it out. I wanted to try to ask questions from some of the businesses, and I did ask before. They never replied, so I'm like, hey, I'm not gonna ask no one. I'm gonna figure this out myself. I did. This one's too big. I love this frame so much. I love how beautiful this frame looks, and I hate this frame. Why? Here is why I don't like this frame. This frame is not stabled, period. Explanation marks everywhere. Not stabled whatsoever. I have no idea why they made that base so unstable. I love how that base looks. It looks so beautiful. That's another reason why I bought this frame, because I love how base looked, and it looks so cute and elegant and beautiful. It's not stabled. They needed to add some kind of pipes up front and in the back of the base so it would hold the you know, the weight of the whole thing. I don't know. They need to rethink this and fix it. For $160, I expected something more well made, honestly, or at least made, or at least painted with some kind of better paint. That paint is chipping off like there is no tomorrow. I used that hoop 3 times. First, I used it when it just came in, and I wanted to set it up to see how it would look. Second time I used it is for this garland, and third time for my client today. And I see so many bold spots. Literally, I need to repaint this whole thing again. Third reason why I don't like this frame. Imagine there's a hoop, and as you saw my pictures on Instagram, I will include a few pictures at the end of this video so you'll know what is happening. As you saw those pictures, there was a garland on this side and a little garland at the bottom on the other side. So when I was trying to tie my bases to this hoop and I was pulling on my fishing line, it would pull one side for some reason and the other side is going backwards, you know? So instead of for hoop being so straight, it would go like this. Why? I have no idea. It would become crooked. It wouldn't be just one round hoop. It would be like broken hoop. I don't know. I don't know how to explain. I hope this makes sense. And I was trying to catch that setup so many times. I was so afraid. I had to let my client know that be careful. Maybe if you have something heavy, put something in the back of that frame on that base just to make sure this whole thing is not gonna fall on somebody. So now you know, you guys, why I don't like this frame. You can decide for yourself, either buy this frame or look for something different. Here's the thing, there is another kind of frame, exactly the same, round, looking beautiful, gold, but the base is a little different. Instead of this rectangular base, there is like 2 pipes going like this, and I feel like it holds the hoop better. So that frame would have been so much better. And I did put hoop with the base into my cart. I did order it, and then I received the message that this frame is not available anymore, even though I was ordering and 4 or 5 hoops were still available. So I don't know what happened there. If you can find a frame with those 2 pipes going like this and then hoop going this way, then please get that one. I feel like it's going to be a lot more sturdier. With my hoop, I don't know what to do. Do I want to keep it? Do I want to return it? I don't know. I haven't decided yet. So here's my 5 cents. I will link my frame with rectangular base in the description under the video, and I will try to find another type of base hoop frame, and I will link it in the description under the video as well, so you can compare both and see if you want to purchase it. I hope it was helpful. Alrighty guys, this is it. This is my take on this clear butterfly balloon garland. I hope this video was helpful and enjoyable. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And you guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll be there to answer every single question, and I will try to help you out to the best of my ability. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos and just join our creative family. Alrighty guys, I am ready to call it a day and just go to bed. It's past 10. I'm ready. Alright, I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!